Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to enable or disable Steam Overlay. So the first thing we have to do is open up Steam and go to Library. So I'm going to launch a game. As an example, I'm going to launch Airborne. So once in the game, what you'll find is that you can access the Steam menu by tapping on the shortcut Shift and Tab. So this is the Steam Overlay. As you can see, it's basically the Steam menu overlaid over the game. So you can see on your battery, your game overview, your achievements. You can access your community from the bottom panel, your friends, and etc. To close it again, you can also tap Shift and Tab. So to disable this Steam overlay, what we need to do is exit our game. Then once on our library page, what we need to do is select the game and right click on it. Then once we right clicked on it, we'll click on Properties. Then on Properties, you'll see different options on the left side. You'll select General. And in the General options, the very first option says Enable the Steam Overlay while in game. So when we turn this off, Steam Overlay will be disabled for the game. When we turn this on, Steam Overlay will be enabled for the game. So this is how we enable or disable Steam Overlay while playing a game. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.